In Louisiana right now, more than 300,000 people are waking up in the dark after Hurricane Francine made landfall. We've seen rain still falling. In fact, this morning, drizzling there outside of the Superdome in New Orleans. That storm made landfall last night as a Cat 2 hurricane. Several places quickly saw flooding, as you can imagine right there. Wind gusts in some areas reportedly topped out at 97 miles an hour.
And almost just as soon as Francine's, making its way out, we have more brewing in the tropics.
We got past that September 10th date, and all of a sudden it's just popping.
Yeah, and flooding is pretty bad in Louisiana, and not just Louisiana, but the South. You're talking about Mississippi and parts of southern Alabama have already received at least 7 inches of rainfall. Wow. So it's still going to continue today as more rain continues to spread. Let's go ahead and talk about first Tropical Francine. I'll get to the rest of the tropics in a second. Here's the 5 a.m. advisory. So Francine is weakening. It is a weak tropical storm based off those maximum sustained winds at 45 miles per hour. And it is moving towards the northeast direction. It's actually going to make more of a northerly turn and basically ride up through the Tennessee Valley there, just parallel to the Mississippi River. A lot of rain spreading across these areas as this continues to happen. But Francine should become a remnant low, just basically a low pressure system by later on today. It's interacting with a front, that stall front that's now over North Florida, has been over North Florida for the past few days. So a lot of moisture being drawn in from the Gulf waters. Right now, the Florida Panhandle dealing with some rain squalls, gusty thunderstorms. There is a tornado threat too. And then Jackson, Mississippi, right underneath a swath of just constant heavy rainfall. It's been over Jackson, Mississippi for quite some time. There is flash flood warnings issued in these areas, along with these flood watches extending across the south and even up into parts of Tennessee. Now, we have other areas that could develop just off the southeast coast there of the U.S. 30% chance for formation, low chance for these two tropical disturbances. But then we had yesterday tropical depression number 7 form, really far away from us, staying over the open waters, but could become the next named storm. Next name is Gordon.